In the heart of Ethiopia's Oromia region, laying within its breathtaking landscapes and fertile soils, exists a unique tale. It's a testament to resilience and hope. However, beneath all its magnificence, a challenging issue persists: the limited access to basic healthcare. Our brothers and sisters in these communities are bravely confronting preventable diseases such as malaria, respiratory infections, diarrhea, and HIV, all due to basic medical resources, like thermometers, being either extremely rare or altogether absent. Now it's time for us, the global diaspora, to take a stand. Our homeland's endurance doesn't solely lie in its soil, but in the hearts of its people, no matter where they find themselves across the globe. Let's unite to overcome these obstacles. Through our initiative, we aim to furnish hospitals and clinics in Oromia with vital medical equipment, while our collaborations with Mako Foundation and Project Cure have begun creating waves of change. Your support is pivotal for accelerating this transformation. Imagine the potency of your contribution: a child freed from the shackles of disease, a mother receiving the care she deserves, communities thriving, healthy, and strong. This is the potential your donation holds. Your donation knows no borders, it brings only hope and healing. Join us for this noble cause. Make a contribution, and let's ensure that the heart of Ethiopia beats stronger than before. Together we can create continual change, transforming one hospital, one clinic, and one life at a time. Your proactive measures today could be the savior of lives tomorrow. Reach out, donate, be the beacon of change Oromia needs. Together we can light the way towards a healthier future.